Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back. It's your man Terrence McClam, aka T Rock. Welcome back to my channel, T Rock Fitness on YouTube. And in today's outdoor video, I got a nice tutorial, functional bodyweight movement exercise routine that you can practice or use if you're starting out and you want to get into calisthenics and bodyweight movement and you don't like weights at the moment. You don't want to use free weights or the weights at the gym. You can always get in shape with your body. And in today's tutorial, I got 3 functional movements. We're going to do pull-ups, push-ups, and squats. Now, in this video, it's called a ladder. Let me explain what that means. We're going to use those 3 exercises, and we're going to do each exercise 5 reps each in a ladder format or a pyramid. And you start from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So you would start with 5 pull-ups, 5 push-ups, 5 squats, and then after that, 4, 3, 2, 1, and so on. The goal is to do them straight through with no rest. Now, depending on your physical fitness and how strong you are, if you need to rest between each set, rest for like 30 minutes and then get right back into it. The goal is to do this straight through, no rest. If you're only doing 5, that's not a lot, but I know a lot of people who can't even do 1 pull-up, so no shame in that. But the goal today, again, is to do 5 pull-ups, 5 push-ups, 5 squats, and then you go down to 4 pull-ups, 4 push-ups, 4 squats, 3 pull-ups, 3 push-ups, 3 squats, 2 pull-ups, 2 push-ups, 2 squats, and then 1 pull-up, 1 push-up, 1 squat. Now that's the ladder from 5 down to 1. Now, once you finish that, you can rest for like a minute, get your second wind, and then I want you to do it in reverse from 1 up to 5. Once you do it down from 5 to 1, then 1 back up to 5, that's considered 1 round. And if you're feeling gully, complete that for like 3 to 5 rounds. Trust me. You'll be feeling it in your biceps, which the triceps work, your back, your lats, your pecs with the push-ups, your triceps, your core, because you got to engage the stomach when you're doing push-ups to do them properly with good form. And do them slow. This is not a race. Do them in correct form. Because let me give you an example. 5 slow pull-ups versus 5 fast shorties is equivalent. 5 slow, correct, with good form pull-ups and push-ups and squats is the equivalent of doing them like if you're doing them 10 times. So again, have fun with this ladder. Hit me up in the comments. Increase your endurance, your strength, burn calories, connect your mind with your body, have fun, and let me know how you like it. All right, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, I'm gonna start off with my ladder, 5 pull-ups. Now you can do this in the order of which you want to. I'm choosing to do my pull-ups first, then my push-ups, and then my squats, because it's like a sequence, it's fluid. As soon as I come down from the pull-ups, I'm standing, I go right into my push-ups, and then when I come up from my push-ups, I go right into my squats. You can do pull-ups, squats, push-ups. You can do squats, pull-ups, pull-ups. Whatever way you want to do it, it's not a problem. So here we go. Today I'm gonna use this is the Wingate High School. I'm on the football field. I'm using the field goal bar as my pull-up bar. Use yours accordingly. You can use a pull-up bar at the park, a scaffold, or at the gym. We have many pull-up bars in the gym, so we can do this indoor, outdoors. Let's go. Here we go with 5 right here. 5 pull-ups. 5 push-ups. 5 squats. 5 go to 4. Working our way down from 5 to 1. This is 4. 1, 2, 1. Push-ups. Squats. 1, 2, 3. Three. 1, 2. Woo. Okay, take a nice little break, rest for like 30 seconds, and then I'm going to do that in reverse, starting from 1 each, working my way up to 5. So it'll be 1 pull-up, 1 push-up, 1 squat, and work my way back up to 5. And once I'm done, I'm gonna rest for like a minute, and then I normally will complete this for like 5 rounds. It's a great way to build muscle, burn fat, build your strength and endurance, and just stay consistent with this. This is a good ladder match. And once you become stronger, the goal is increase those reps. Increase it from 5 to 6 until you get to 10. Where you can do 10 reps for each exercise, and then 15 to 20. So it's a great tutorial. Hit me up in the comments, like, subscribe, and share. Love y'all. Salute with both hands. And remember, movement equals what? Say it with me. Movement equals improvement. So let me continue. Here we go. I'm going to start down. This is the ladder starting from 1 up to 5. 1. 3. 4. 5. Boom. Salute. Woo. Okay, there you have it. That was my ladder mileage. Excuse me. That was my ladder match, consisting of 3 functional body weight exercises. Whew. Trying to catch my breath. Bear with me. Okay. Again, that was a ladder routine involving pull-ups, push-ups, squats. The ladder started from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up. That's 1 round. After that, you rest for like a 2-minute rest period. Rest for 2 minutes, and then complete that again for 3 to 5 rounds. You can do it. I believe in y'all. One love. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. All my YouTube subscribers who tune in. If you watch partial of my video, I still appreciate it. Just like, subscribe, and share it. And as I say, salute with both hands. 1, 2, one love. Peace.